Next on scratch coding cards is going right and left. For this is the instruction set that we have to give to this particular sprite. And we will take this particular backdrop, and these are the instructions to be given to this particular sprite. And when we press the arrow keys from the keyboard, like this one, the left arrow and the right arrow, which are in blue color here, so the sprite will move on the game stage accordingly. In order to begin the activity, we will open our Scratch project and we will fit the user interface to the desktop screen, and we will need one sprite here. So instead of cat, we will go to the sprite library, and from the search box we will search for Ben, and we will take this particular sprite. Now once this is visible on the game stage, we can delete the cat sprite as this is not required in this particular activity. Now, to make it more interesting and good looking, we will take a backdrop from the backdrop library like playing field. Once you click on this, the backdrop will be visible on the game stage. Now, to begin with the instruction set, we will go to the events category and take the instruction from here when spacebar is pressed. And because we will be using the arrow keys, so we will make a multiple instruction here, one for the right arrow and the next one for the left arrow. Now we want that this sprite should move on the game stage, so we will go to the motion category and take the instruction move 10 steps. Here you need to see that for right arrow we will keep the value move 10 steps positive. However, for left arrow we will make it -10. And now once we press these arrow keys, you can see this particular sprite moving on the game stage. So let's press the right arrow first, and the sprite is going to the right direction. Similarly, for the left arrow, because we have given -10 steps, so once you press the left arrow, so this will go to the left hand side. And this is how our sprite will move on the game stage on the right and left side.